Well, this is a Kilted Texan, and we're here on a relatively snowy Texas morning, which is not words that usually go together in the same sentence. But we're in pretty bright conditions here, and we're going to see if we can fly ourselves a quad. We got 4 satellites so far, and we'll see what we can do to continue on and get one up in the air, and let's see if we can get some pretty views of this snow all over the place. I'll fly over the excursion here and you get to see the huge pile of snow on my hood. That's a fun one. All right, we got the DVR cranked up. Oh, now we're at 6 satellites, so let's just see what we get. I know it's going to be a relatively quick flight because cold weather and batteries do not go together.
Sensor lost.
Well, that's probably not a good thing.
Sensor lost. Sensor lost.
Got a truck over here having fun in the snow in the parking lot. Looks like somebody did some donuts over there. Let's see.
Sensor lost. Sensor lost. Sensor lost.
That's probably not good. Try to stay away from this pickup truck. That is nice, pretty snow. Turning into slush right over here. This is kind of like what they say when it be all over you like white on rice on a paper plate in a snowstorm. Maybe that's just something I've heard. But it is pretty slick, and to be honest with you, this isn't a whole lot of ice. This is actually mostly, or this is not necessarily a whole lot of snow, but it's mostly actually ice. So old excursion, she's slipping and sliding pretty good. It was a little bit of an effort to get over here to this spot, and of course she's locking up the anti-locks every time you glide to a stop at a stop sign. She is slicker than greased goose snot out here. But quad seems to do okay in the cold. I know our battery capacity is going to be way reduced because I think right now the temperature is like 22, maybe 21. Last night it got down to 7, and I think that might be some sort of record for Texas. I don't know that for sure, but I don't know, maybe when woolly mammoths were around they could tell us. Anybody know a woolly mammoth who's still alive? Might be able to tell us when it was colder. And no, I don't mean your Uncle Fred with a big bushy beard, neither. I mean one of the actual woolly mammoths with the tusks. And no, not your Aunt Betty with the big mustache. That ain't who I'm talking about, neither. So let's see. Well, I think this battery is just about cooked. So, again, don't get a whole lot of life out of these things with in the cold, but gotta love that air mode when she just starts to bounce. Look at that big majestic beast right there. Ooh-wee. I don't have another car that I think I'd rather be in the snow than with this one. This one's just, she's a hoss. And that big 7.3 liter diesel, she just doesn't care. So we're gonna go ahead and crank up one more battery and see if we can't get maybe a little bit more distance and get a little bit nicer video. So we'll be back with y'all in the next one. Have fun and keep her in the air.